coming to the most important thing is the temple architecture. So temple architecture started during the Guptas and it developed in certain phases. As I told you, so we will be seeing the temples, temple architecture. So it developed in 5 phases. 5 phases means in the first phase the temple were the simplest form, okay, having just one sanctum sanctorum or the garbhagriha. So the building was just like a small square or rectangular, okay. So here they were, अगर यहाँ पे if this is a Shiv temple तो शिवलिंग होगी, ठीक है. So this is the sanctum sanctorum or the garbhagriha. Garbhagriha means where the idol of the main deity of the temple is established, जहाँ पे स्थापित होती है मूर्ति, that is garbhagriha. And then there was one entrance, okay. तो एक छोटा सा entrance होता था and the small rectangular or square form temple. उसके बाद सेकेंड स्टेज में कुछ और एडिशन हुए, थर्ड स्टेज में कुछ और एडिशन हुए और एडिशन होके नाउ वी सी द टेम्पल्स हैव बिकम ग्रैंड. ग्रैंड मतलब नॉर्थ इंडिया में कैसे होते हैं टेम्पल्स? द टेम्पल्स आर लाइक दिस, इसके ऊपर एक शिखर होता है, ठीक है, ओके. सो दिस इज द मेन सैंक्टम सैंक्टोरम, उसके ऊपर एक शिखर होता है, देयर इज मंडप. तो सैंक्टम सैंक्टोरम से पहले एक मंडप होता है वेयर वर्शिपर्स कैन स्टैंड. तो एक अंदर सैंक्टम सैंक्टोरम है एंड वी कैन स्टैंड लाइक दिस एज वर्शिपर्स व्हेन वी एंटर द टेम्पल्स. तो फर्स्ट स्टेज से व्हेन द टेम्पल्स वर एट देयर बेसिक फॉर्म, हाउ दे डेवलप्ड इनटू व्हाट दे आर टुडे, ठीक है. तो 5 स्टेजेस हैं टेम्पल की. नाउ वी हैव सीन, क्या देखे थे अभी तक? केव टेम्पल्स, ठीक है. एलोरा में भी जो हमने देखे, द टेम्पल्स वर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द केव्स. So now there is a shift from caves to independent standing temples, ठीक है. So this is the first temple of a first phase, temple 17 at Sanchi. So square building, okay. There is this entrance where there is a pillared mandap, you can say. So a worshipper would enter the temple from here. And then there is inside there is a hollow which is the garbhagriha where the statue of the main deity will be installed. So this is the temple of the first phase, ठीक है. तो कोई ऊपर शिखर वगैरह कुछ नहीं है, just a flat roofed temple. This is the ground and this is the low platform. So no steps, directly you can enter the temple, okay. Example, write down. Temple number 17. Temple number 17 at Sanchi. At Sanchi. Okay, so this is the temple of the first phase. So now can a worshipper, like what we do today, parikrama, or we call it as circumambulation, can we do it in this temple? The worshipper can just enter the mandap and directly there is the sanctum sanctorum. So there is no space for circumambulation. So what happened in the second phase? The space for circumambulation or the parikrama was added, okay. And there were no windows, okay, or no spaces from where light could enter. So it was all dark inside in the garbhagriha. So what happened in the second stage? Some jalis were made on the structure so that light can enter the temple and it is not dark inside the temple, okay. And what other difference can you see in this temple? This is second phase temple. Stairs, that means elevated platform. पहले वाले में क्या था? There was very low platform, directly you can enter. Here there are addition of stairs and higher platform, okay. So it is not visible in the picture, but this entrance had the sculpture of Ganga and Yamuna here, okay. Second example, Lard Khan temple, A hole, ठीक है. तो हमने एक और फीचर लिखा था कि second story was also added in some temples. So here you can see this is the temple and second story was added. Lard Khan सिर्फ इसका नाम है. This temple is actually dedicated to Lord Shiva, Coming on to the third phase. तो अभी तक till now we have seen the temples were mostly flat roofed थे, and in some temple as in Lat Khan there was a turret या फिर एक second story add हो गई थी, ठीक है. But in the third phase you can see that शिखर have been started in the third phase. तो एक small structure शिखर जो आगे जाके it became grander, it started from the third phase, ठीक है. एक और इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज जो थी थर्ड फेज में वॉज द पंचेतन स्टाइल. अब नाउ व्हाट इज पंचेतन स्टाइल ऑफ टेम्पल? तो जनरली टेम्पल्स कैसे होते हैं? देयर इज अ मेन टेम्पल एंड 4 मोर टेम्पल एट द कॉर्नर, ठीक है. तो अगर लॉर्ड शिवा का टेम्पल है मेन, तो जो कॉर्नर पे सब्सिडियरी टेम्पल्स हैं दैट कैन बी द फैमिली ऑफ लॉर्ड शिवा, ठीक है, या फिर उनके डिफरेंट इनकारनेशंस कुड बी देयर, ठीक है. सो दिस इज नोन एज पंचेतन स्टाइल. सो दैट मीन्स 5 temples, 1 temple and 4 subsidiary temple. So this temple is also built in the Panchatan style, Dashavtar temple. I'll show you the picture. So this is the picture. Can you see? This is the main shrine and these are the subsidiary shrines at 4 corners. That is why this is known as Panchatan style. तो ये एक और एडिशन था इन द थर्ड फेज. ओके, शिखर बनना इट स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम दिस स्टेज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ लिटिल स्पायर. अगर लॉर्ड शिवा का टेम्पल है या लॉर्ड विष्णु का है, ईदर द सब्सिडियरी श्राइन्स वुड बी द फैमिली ऑफ लॉर्ड विष्णु और द डिफरेंट इनकारनेशंस ऑफ लॉर्ड विष्णु. ओके, इंपॉर्टेंट है इन सब टर्म्स. अ क्वेश्चन हैज बीन आस्क्ड कि व्हाट इज पंचेतन स्टाइल, और 4 ऑप्शन थे, स्टाइल ऑफ डांस, स्टाइल जो भी ऑप्शंस थे, एंड वन ऑफ देम वाज इट इज़ द स्टाइल ऑफ टेम्पल मेकिंग. तो अगर आपको पता है तो बहुत ज़्यादा एफर्ट नहीं करना है, विद इन फ्यू सेकेंड्स यू कैन आंसर इफ़ यू नो. सो दिस स्कल्पचर इज मेड ऑन द वॉल ऑफ द टेम्पल. सो दिस इज नोन एज शेषायन विष्णु. शेषायन विष्णु मीन्स Vishnu is seen reclining on the Sheshnag. So this is on one wall of the temple. Okay, entire sculpture. Then another important sculpture is Nar Narayan sculpture. There is discussion between God and human. Nar Narayan sculpture. This is Gajendra Moksha sculpture where Lord Vishnu is helping. Gajendra is an elephant. So Lord Vishnu is helping him to attain salvation, moksha. Okay, it was all about this temple, the Dashavtar temple. It is an important temple, so we have discussed it in detail. Okay, another example is the Durga temple Aihole. Third phase, Durga temple Aihole. You can see a small shikhar has started. Okay, and this is the temple. Though it is named Durga temple, it is misnomer. It is actually dedicated to Lord Surya. Okay, and it is actually different in style. It is made in hybrid style, mix of 2 different styles. That means mix of Nagar style. Nagar is the North Indian style and the South Indian style. So it is mix of both. So this was all about the third stage. Third phase में क्या था? बताओ भाई क्या था? A small shikhar emerged, okay, and Panchatan style, जो कि important है, it was added, and we have seen 2 temples, Dashavtar temple and this temple, Durga temple at Aihole. Now fourth phase is not that important, just that the buildings became more rectangular. The temples were almost similar to the earlier phase, except that the main shrine became more rectangular. Example, Ter temple, Sholapur, where the temples became somewhat circular. Okay, so you can see the circular building with the projections. These are the projections. Okay, the projections. Example, Maniyar Mutt at Rajgir, Bihar. So we have introduced temples and its 5 phases.